Buenos días, estamos aquí en el hotel y preparé un cafecito. Vamos a ver por afuera. ¡Wow! Mira, aquí está el cuarto. Muy lindo. Viendo la televisión. ¡Oh, Casa Grandes!
Day 3 in Mexico, and the adventure continues. We woke up to the sound of rain outside, which meant a slight change of plans. Doing tirolesas this morning or ziplining would have to wait until tomorrow. Hopefully, if there's no rain. When traveling, something like this always usually happens, so I'm glad we were prepared with good options to explore. We hopped on the hotel's complimentary shuttle and were on our way. The Hotel Alor shuttle ran until 3 p.m. every day and gave us a ride to our chosen San Miguel de Allende destination. We headed to Fabrica La Aurora, a former textile factory transformed into a haven for art lovers. This place was chill and gorgeous. Galleries overflowing with paintings, sculptures, and jewelry, all housed in this beautiful historic building. We wandered through the courtyards, soaking in the creative energy, and picked up some drinks at the cafe. There was some pretty cool sculptures. This was a great space for the kids to walk around and enjoy the scenery too. There was no admission fee to enter Fabrica La Aurora. Next, we decided to brave the charming yet sometimes chaotic streets of San Miguel de Allende. We opted for an Uber when we left La Aurora, saving ourselves the headache of navigating those narrow cobblestone roads again that we had encountered our first day in Mexico, where we got lost for a bit trying to find the hotel. The Uber ride cost 79.95 pesos or $3.95. Here is a tip. Do not drive a car around San Miguel de Allende's main town square and markets. I repeat, do not drive a car in San Miguel de Allende. It's okay to drive to San Miguel and park at your hotel if they offer that, but don't take your car into town. The streets weren't designed for car parking and locations do not have parking lots. It'd be an impossible mission. Our first stop, Los Milagros for lunch. This spot served those mouth-watering entrees served on huge molcajetes. It was incredible and really good, of course. There were plenty of tables inside, clean restrooms, and adorable high chairs for little ones. For our family of 4, we spent 720 pesos or $35.62. With our bellies full, we were ready to keep exploring. La Parroquia, the iconic pink church, was grand and beautiful. We were so happy to finally see this gorgeous architecture. We strolled through the main square, soaking in the sights and sounds of this lively town.
Vamos a ir adentro.
It was so beautiful and majestic inside too. The kids had a blast swinging and running around the nearby park, Parque Benito Juarez, burning off some energy before our next treat. They also enjoyed some watermelon from a street vendor there for 35 pesos or $1.73.
Hola.
And what's a Mexican adventure without helado and churros? San Agustin, a really popular spot with a line out the door, was the perfect spot for churros. The total for 3 churros with fillings and a water bottle was 114 pesos or $5.62. We also bought some delicious scoops of helado in the main square.
Y muchas gracias. Y un cono de chocolate, una bola.
¿Algo más? ¿Vaso o cono? Vaso. ¿Sencillo? Sencillo. ¿De qué?
Ok, muchas gracias. ¿Cuánto sería?
The total for helado, 3 bolas, was 135 pesos or $6.68.
Estamos aquí al frente de la parroquia. Jorge, ¿qué sabor tienes tú?
Hola amigos, mi sabor es chocolate, mira.
Ah, qué rico. ¿Y tú, Luz, qué comes? ¿Qué sabor
mango.
tienes? ¿Qué, mango? ¿Tienes el sabor mango, Luz? ¡Wow!
El tuyo.
¡Qué rico! Sí, es purple, mira, es garambullo.
Traes, dátelo.
¡Qué rico!
Mamá.
Yo compré de garambullo.
With happy smiles, we headed to the Mercado de Artesanías número 3. We purposefully went to the mercado furthest from the parroquia because we heard it had the best deals. This place was a treasure trove of souvenirs. We found adorable handcrafted trinkets, colorful textiles, and unique gifts for friends and family back home. The total for my souvenirs was 700 pesos or $34.63. Check out my video next week if you want to see what I bought. As the day drew to a close, it started to pour rain, so we caught another Uber back to our lovely Hotel Alor for 139.92 pesos or $6.92. Check out those rain pours. For our one fancy meal on our vacation, we had dinner at the hotel. It was a delicious and convenient way to end our exciting day with the kids.
Vamos a ir al restaurante.
The total was 1,115 pesos and 50 cents or $55.18 US dollars. Exhausted but happy, we prepped for our next day in San Miguel and drifted off to sleep. Stay tuned for our last adventure day in San Miguel. See you in my next video. Bye!